Takeho, Liho. Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty is going to show you how to make our family's favorite pancake. So, come, let's join Aunty. Friends, come, let's join Aunty making the pancake. This is our family's favorite pancake. And of course, the ingredients that I'm going to use this one is flour. I use about 500 grams of flour. And besides this flour, I'm using corn flour. This is 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Add together. And this one is tapioca flour, 3 tablespoons also. I'm gonna mix it well first. Okay, this one set aside. And I'm using 2 eggs and then 1 whole onion, big onion. And this one is Chinese sweet sausage. I'm gonna use 2 of these, and little bit of scallion, so pathetic, very small. You see, it's not fully grown. Anyway, I'm thankful I got this. Okay, so come, let's join Aunty as I'm gonna prepare for all these ingredients first. First of all, this one, the Chinese sweet sausage. This one I already washed already, so they're easy to peel off the skin. I usually do like this. I cut into half and then cut again. Okay, remove the skin. Actually, this skin can be eaten, but I don't want to take it. Okay, remove the skin because it's already washed with water, so the skin soft, so easy to peel off. Slowly cut it fine, tiny pieces. And proceed with the scallion, chop fine also. And continue with the big onion or whole onion. This one also we chop fine. Okay. Pancake, if you add in this onion, the big onion, it will make the pancake taste sweet and delicious. So the sweet sausage already cut into pieces, and then this one scallion also, and also this one is big onion. I add into this black peppercorn. I'm going to grind it. I'm gonna add into the flour. Okay, done. Mix it. Add in the egg, 2 eggs. Mix it first. Okay. This is salt. 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1.5 teaspoon. Okay. And about half teaspoon of Ajinomoto. Okay. And this one, sugar, 1 spoon of sugar, not too sweet. Okay, 1.5 spoon of sugar. Add some cooking oil. All right, 1 spoon of that cooking oil. Then mix it first. Okay, I'm using warm water. Add into this batter. Oops. Okay, mix it well. Add some more. About 1 glass already. Okay, that should be enough. So it's about 1.5 mug of water. This is mug, so about 1.5 mug of this, with 500 gram of flour, and then 3 tablespoons of tapioca flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour to combine with all the ingredients. This is our family favorite pancake. Okay, we leave this to rest for about 10 minutes. Okay, let's start. Wait till the pan hot. Okay, it's hot already. I'm gonna put it in. I use about 2 scoops. All right. Okay. A bit oil here. Okay, we flip it. Okay. Ah, nice smell. Friends, you can make this for your children to bring to school. That will be very delicious for them to eat. until it's brown, then it will be fully cooked. See, the color brown already. All right, the color is beautiful already. Turn another time. See, the color is beautiful. This is what I want. Wait till the bottom get brown like this, then it will be done. So friends, if you never make this kind of pancake, you should try and follow Aunty recipe. See? Beautiful. See, this is how it is. It's very delicious. Eat this, can go well with tea. For high tea. That's how Aunty make pancake. This is family favorite pancake. Friends, this is the ending of my cooking just now. Aunty making pancake, our family's favorite. Do try the recipe, okay? It's very delicious. I'm sure you will love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.